നമസ്കാരം, എല്ലാവർക്കും പുതിയൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ജൂനിയർ കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് ഇൻസ്പെക്ടറിൻ്റെ പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസാണ് നോക്കിക്കൊണ്ടിരുന്നത്. ഫെബ്രുവരി 2020 നടന്ന ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസാണ് നോക്കുന്നത്. ഏതൊക്കെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസാണെന്ന് നോക്കാം. The management of account receivable of the exporter or manufacturer is known as. The management of account receivable of the exporter or manufacturer is known as option C and answer factoring service. Management of account receivable of the exporter or manufacturer is known as factoring service. Next question. The bank which meet the long-term requirements of agriculturist. The bank which meet the long-term requirements of agriculturist. Option A and answer Land Development Bank. Land Development Bank. The bank which meet the long-term requirements of agriculturist. Land Development Bank. Option A and answer. Next question. The major players in the Indian money market is. Option D and answer commercial bank. Commercial bank. Major players in Indian money market commercial bank. Option D and answer. Next question. Which of the following is not an external case of for NPA? Which of the following is not an external case for NPA? Option A and answer poor credit appraisal system of bank. Poor credit appraisal system of bank. Which of the following is not an external case for NPA? Poor credit appraisal system of bank. Poor credit appraisal system of bank. Option A and answer. Next question. The non-performing asset which cannot be recovered is termed as. Non-performing asset which cannot be recovered is termed as. Option C and answer loss asset. Non-performing asset which cannot be recovered is termed as loss asset. Option C. Next question. If check is not crossed, it is called. Option C and answer open check. If check is not crossed, it is called open check. Option C and answer. Next question. The appropriation take place in dash. The appropriation take place in dash order according to Clayton case. Appropriation take place in dash order according to Clayton case. Option C and answer chronological order. Chronological order. Appropriation take place in chronological order according to Clayton case. Next question. Banking institution providing long-term loans are. Banking institution providing long-term loans are investment bank. Option A and answer investment banks. Next question. The security which hold stability in its price. The security which hold stability in its price. Option D and answer government bonds. Government bonds. The security which hold stability in its price. Option D and answer government bonds. Next question. The higher cash reserve ratio will lead to. Higher cash reserve ratio will lead to lower volume of credit. Higher cash reserve ratio will lead to lower volume of credit. Option B and answer. Next question. The priority sector lending does not include. Option C and answer large scale industries. Large scale industries. Priority sector lending does not include large scale industries. Next question. During the period of inflation, the RBI dashed the securities in the open market. During the period of inflation, RBI sells the securities in the open market. Option C and answer sells. Next question. The activities of Agriculture Credit Department is handled by. Option A NABARD. Activities of Agricultural Credit Department is handled by NABARD. Option A and answer NABARD. Next question. The Reserve Bank of India started its function in. The Reserve Bank of India started its function in 1935. Option D and answer. Option D 1935. Next question. SARFAESI Act 2002 came into force. Option A and answer to manage NPA, non-performing asset. SARFAESI Act 2002 came into force to manage NPA. Option A and answer. Next question. An organization underwrite the securities of corporate entity. Underwrite the securities of corporate entity. Option C and answer merchant bank. Option C merchant bank. An organization underwrite the securities of corporate entity. Merchant bank. Option C and answer merchant bank. Next question. Licensing to banking companies is given under dash section of Banking Regulation Act 1949. Option B and answer section 22. Licensing to banking companies is given under section 22 of Banking Regulation Act 1949. Licensing of banking companies BR Act in section 22 will. Section 22. Next question. The expenses or special audit of a banking company specified in the order made by the Reserve Bank shall be borne by option A and answer banking company. The expenses or special audit of banking company specified in the order made by the Reserve Bank shall be borne by banking company. Option A and answer banking company. Next question. As per PMJJBY scheme on the death of insured, risk coverage available is option A and answer 2 lakh 2 ലക്ഷം. പ്രധാനമന്ത്രി ജീവൻ ജ്യോതി ബീമ യോജന scheme on the death of insured, risk coverage available to 2 lakh. Option A and answer 2 lakh. Under Adult Pension Yojana, the guaranteed pension receivable at the age of option C and answer 60 years 60 വയസ്സ്. Adult Pension Yojana, the guaranteed pension receivable at the age of 60 years. Option C and answer. Next question. Right of set of means option D and answer right to combine. The right of set of means right to combine. Right of set of means right to combine. Option D and answer. Next question. Banker's lien is always general lien. Option A and answer banker's lien is always general lien. Option A. ഫെബ്രുവരിയിൽ നടന്ന കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് ഇൻസ്പെക്ടറിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് നോക്കിയത്. ബാങ്കിങ്, കോർപ്പറേഷൻ, കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് ലോ ഇവയിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് എല്ലാം തീർന്നു. ഇനി IT യിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് നോക്കാനുള്ളത്. ആ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് അടുത്ത വീഡിയോ ആയിട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമാകുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. എന്തെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ കമൻ്റായിട്ട് രേഖപ്പെടുത്തുക. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക്